you really still here watching that YouTube kid slop? Man, I really thought people would have better taste nowadays. Maybe you could waste your time doing something more mature, like taxes. But I know you won't.
What's got you fuming, buddy? What's got you raging, dude? Did something piss you off? You better learn to cope soon. This place eats jokes for breakfast. You'll need some thicker skin. Cause if you're angry now, imagine how you'll feel when you check your bedroom and it's crawling with snakes. When every step you take's a face full of rakes. When even seats are threatening a certain sound.
Darling, you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? If you say that you are mine, I'll be here till the end of time. So you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go?
That I love to drama. Play pretend, but you know it's common. You're the one that's on like on. And baby, but I ain't the problem. You keep on pushing my buttons. You do. With me, you leveled up. Yeah, it's true. Now I'm somebody you don't wanna lose. You're just a playboy, I ain't tryna playboy. I ain't thinking about you, not thinking about you. Love you's a game boy, I should throw it away, boy. I ain't thinking about you. Ooh, you're just a playboy, I ain't tryna playboy. I ain't thinking about you, not thinking about you. Love you's a game boy, I should throw it away, boy. I ain't thinking about you. I've been going out on my own time. I've been doing me, but I don't mind. That's fine, that's fine. Me and all my friends in the backseat, headed to the club in a taxi. I'm fine, I know. You keep on pushing my buttons. You do. With me, you leveled up. Yeah, it's true. Now I'm somebody you don't wanna lose. Ooh. I'm slowly calling. Blame me, but I ain't the problem. You're just a boy, I ain't tryna.